We've all had that moment. Someone asked for our time, and before we've even had a chance to marinate and to think it through, we've already said yes. That moment is an example of remote control taking charge. I'm Elena Kelly Smith, the creator of the PARQS framework. In this video, I'm going to show you how to interrupt that remote control yes, and to help you turn toward your truth in that moment when someone's asking something of you. We can be taught how to use a compass to navigate the world around us. We use it to stay on track and to be helpful to others. But when it comes to navigating us, to interrupting the habit of saying yes when we mean no, we need a different kind of compass for our internal navigation. That immediate yes when you meant no isn't a character flaw. It's a sign that your internal compass needs a little fine tuning. The PARQS compass has 5 elements: preferences, awareness, right action, questions, and self-acceptance. It's your compass to establishing foundational self-trust. In the PARQS framework, right action is not about a massive life overhaul. And the right action I'm sharing with you today, I call it the actually pause. The next time a request comes in, instead of rushing to be helpful, start your response with that one word, actually. Here are 2 examples. Actually, I'm going to pass on that. Or ask yourself, actually, what would feel 1% better right now? That one word actually buys you the few seconds of choice you need to interrupt that remote control and get back to being the navigator. I put together a first steps kit. Inside it, you'll find the 1-minute check-in. Use it to notice the tight jaw, the slumped shoulder, that signal that you're about to experience remote control taking charge. I invite you to try it just once today. Comment actually, and I'll send you the first steps kit. The next time you feel that pull to say yes when you meant no, pause and start with actually. Ever notice how once you realize you've said yes when you meant no, you start criticizing yourself for it? It's like a mental replay of the moment that just leaves you feeling frustrated with yourself. In the next video, I'm going to share a simple way to change that inner conversation. I'll show you how to ask yourself a different kind of question, one that doesn't leave you stuck in the mistake, but actually helps you learn from it and move forward. See you in the next video.